Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Afifah. I'm from Demography and Civil Registration Study Program of 11 Maret University. So in this opportunity, I wanna explain about garbage and how to manage it. First, I wanna explain about definition of garbage. So, according to KBBI or Indonesian Dictionary, the garbage is items or objects discarded because they are no longer used. Meanwhile, according to the Dictionary of Environmental Terms, 1994, garbage is materials that have no value or not valuable for ordinary or special use in production or use. Garbage can be divided into two types, namely, first, solid waste or inorganic. Inorganic waste is waste consisting of inorganic materials. For examples of inorganic materials are metals, plastic, glass, rubber, and cans. Second, wet waste or organic. Organic waste is waste consisting of organic materials. Do you know each person produces 700 to 800 grams of waste a day, or 1000 to 1400 kilograms, or 1.4 tons a year? Have you ever thought or imagined the trash that we throw away every day? The impact of littering will spoil the scenery, can unpleasant others, cause low to high level flooding, cause various diseases, and can pollute the environment. Keywords of reduction and handling waste is 5R. First, there is refuse, where we as much as possible refuse products that will later cause waste that is difficult to decompose. For example, we don't buy bottled mineral water. It would be better if we use our own drinking bottles from home, which we ourselves know the hygiene of drinking bottles and drinking water. Second, there is reduce, where we reduce the use of products that cause waste as much as possible. For example, we don't use tissue to clean our hands or face. We can use a handkerchief as a substitute. Third, there is reuse, where we reuse things that are still fit for use. For example, we use our old clothes that still fit on our bodies. And then there is recycle, where if the existing waste is no longer reused, we can recycle the item with additional materials so that the unfit for use becomes an item that can be reused. For example, making bags from powder during packaging. And the last, there is a rot. If there is still food leftovers, we just need to make compost from the material, of course not by mixing it with other inorganic waste. So, what is the simple and correct way to manage waste? One simple way to manage waste is to use Ecobricks. Ecobricks itself is processing plastic waste into environmentally friendly materials. This is an effort to reduce the accumulation of plastic waste. The environmentally friendly material is made by inserting and compacting clean and dry plastic waste into used plastic bottles and using a small stick to compact the plastic waste into the bottles. As a closing, I will show you how to make Ecobricks, so let's see together.
Ecobrick making is simple, but there are important guidelines. Begin the habit with the best technique. Pack bottles with non-biodegradables only. Cellophanes, styrofoam, plastic bags, straws, and packaging of all kinds. No paper, no glass, and no sharp metal. Use a stick to pack bottles with as much plastics as possible. Start by packing the bottom with soft plastics to fill the corners. Use colored plastics to give brick bottom a color. Use one branded bottle for your Ecobrick project. This will make building easier. Smaller bottles work too. Choose the ones that seem to be the most abundant in your community. For large community projects, it is useful to log the bricks that come in. You can then calculate and track important statistics. Once you have a large collection of Ecobricks, you are ready to build. To learn proper building methods, see ecobricks.org for a free construction guide. Share your own Ecobrick creations with us using the hashtag VisionEcobricks and help us inspire more trash transformation.
In conclusion, we can minimize waste with living habits by reducing the use of plastic waste materials and replacing them with environmentally friendly materials. So that's all my presentation. Hope you like it. Thank you for your attention. So, bye-bye.